Guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into your another reading. Let's get into it. I don't know why I feel like doing a pick a pile, very quick ones, but pick a pile. So let's do it. We're gonna have 3 piles, so choose a number between 111, 222 and 333. So if you chose 111, then this is your reading. We have a careless person or a careless energy. We have into you. This is actually carless, but I say it careless. We have running. Alright, so somebody who is into you or somebody that you are into was very careless in the past and they ran from the connection, they ran away from you. So this reading is going to be all about that. So either you ran away from somebody that you are into, or somebody who is into you ran away from you. So take it how that resonates. Maybe somebody is into you and you ran away from that person, and this person was acting unbothered, but unbothered came in reverse. So this person is no longer unbothered, so they are very bothered with whatever is going on in between the two of you. So if you ran away from this person, and if you are like, this person ran away from you and now you're acting happy on the social media, or you're genuinely happy, this person is very bothered, very much bothered with your energy right now. This person can also be manipulating you or manipulated you in the past. We have talking shit but in reverse. So maybe if this person was gossiping about you, or this person was talking shit about you behind your back, this person is no longer doing that, because I feel like this person just has a very clear picture about you, that you don't give a damn about them and that you're okay without them. We have romantic love affair. So this person wants to build a relationship with you. That's what I see. This can be a secret lover. You know what I'm getting is that there was a friend of yours who had secret feelings for you, but once you got to know that they have feelings for you, you ran away, like you cut off this person. And now this person, and because you're so unbothered, I feel like this person's feelings are increasing. This person's has a lot of anger. Pile number 1. This person has a lot of anger towards you, this situation. We have happiness hater. So if you are already in a relationship, there is a secret admirer of yours which hates that relationship because they want to be with you and they cannot see you with somebody else. This can involve money, married for money. So somebody feels you married somebody for money. I don't know. This person definitely used to talk shit about you behind your back, but they are not doing that any longer. You have ego and shine. Your light irritates their demons. Happiness hater. Cleanse your energy. Pile number 1. Their ego was hurt, ego getting in the way of a relationship, etc. So either your person left you for somebody else, or you left your person and you are in a relationship with somebody else, and now this person is very hurt. This person is realizing their mistake, that they did not give you what you wanted in a relationship, and they ran away from the relationship instead of giving you what you really deserved and desired in the relationship. And that's why now if this person was like very angry, talking shit about you, trying to play victim, and they just wanted to like blame you for whatever happened between the two of you, this person is no longer doing that because something happened. They are just realizing, they are getting the reality check of a situation. So I feel like this person now has realized that they were doing something wrong, and because of that I feel like this person is no longer involved with a third party, is what I heard, but this is not for everybody. But if I get into specifics, I feel like maybe you were in a relationship with somebody, this person took you for granted, they were very careless where it comes to handling you, and now this person is regretting that because they got some sort of a realization or a reality check. And so maybe they got married to somebody else and that person was just in love with their money and their assets and not them. Now they are realizing that you loved them, and now this person is devastated because they are very bothered. They are very bothered to see you happy. It's like if you are in a relationship with somebody else and if you post something on the social media, this person hates that. This person is devastated by looking at the pictures, and they want to come in between the two of you. They don't want the relationship to work out. That's the message. Let's see more. Fake account. This person stalks you with fake accounts. Pile number 1. This person can come. That's exactly what I was channeling. This person can come back into your life in the upcoming time, and they might try to sugarcoat you. They might try to kiss your ass. They might try to bring you back into their life by, sweet talk. Stay away from this person because they might try to come back into your life and they are just jealous. It's not that they love you or they have a lot of love for you and that's why they are realizing their mistake. No, it's just a realization. It's just that they are getting the reality check. This person in the upcoming time might try to come into your life, try to sweet talk you, try to sugarcoat you, try to kiss your ass, and they just want to bring you back into their life. And if you reject this person, they might try to threaten you that they will start a drama. But do not be scared, do not be afraid, and do not accept this person because you can get into a third party situation when you do not even want that. So it's like because you're so much scared, you might do something which is not right for you, which is not healthy, which is not good for you. So you are advised here to not fall for this person's trap. Whenever they come and try to threaten you and threaten you or start a drama, do not fall for that because you will be protected. But if you take a wrong decision, it might ruin the relationship that you have already in your life, which you are so much happy in. But if you're not in a relationship, then I feel like this situation is still going to harm you in the upcoming time. So if you fall for this person's trap, this situation is going to harm you in the upcoming time, pile number 1. So stay away and stay protected because you will be protected regardless. But if you fall for this person's trap, that might affect you. Because even if this person is trying to threaten you, you will be protected by the universe, by your spirit team. But you are the one taking the decision. So make sure that you're not falling for this person's trap because it might affect you in the long term. It's not gonna take longer period of time for you to realize that you made the wrong decision if you fall for this person's trap. I'll repeat that again. It will not take a long for you to realize that you made the wrong decision by falling for this person's trap. So make sure that you're not falling for this person's trap no matter how much they try to threaten you or start a drama, right? Because you will be protected regardless. I think that's pretty much what I have. If you want to book a personal reading, you can book that from the link in the description box below. You can DM me on Instagram as well for the personal reading. Follow me on Instagram. Sending you so much love and light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Take care. Hi, pile number 2. So if you chose the number 222, if I'm right, I don't know, I don't remember. But if you chose pile number 2, then this is your reading. The middle pile. Let's get into it. What does my pile number 2 need to know, Spirit? What you need to know is that your angels are deciding your life's path forward. So whatever your situation is, if you feel like you're not in control of your life, even if you feel like you are in control and you're supported, just know that your angels are deciding your life's path moving forward from here. Your angels are taking the lead, your angels are taking the decision, your angels are deciding and leading your path in the upcoming time. There is an imbalance in your energy, you're stressed about something, there is like excess or extremes of something happening in your life or will be happening in the upcoming time or happened already in the past, and that is the reason why the universe or your spirit team and angels are going to take the lead because you might feel overly emotional. People can deceive you easily, people can harm you easily, people can manipulate you, cheat on you, people can use you easily in the upcoming time because you're going to become very overly emotional. So there is like excess of something happening in the upcoming time And if you go through that, even if you're going through your menstrual cycle, just know that the universe will be leading your path. The judgment at the bottom, the universe is protecting your path, the universe is taking care of you, the universe is guiding you towards your path. Somebody is either going to mistreat you, use you, or you are going to find out that somebody was cheating on you. And you might be very overly emotional once you find this out. And that's why after that, the universe will take the lead and they will protect you, they will take care of you. So even if you feel overly emotional, but if you feel like the universe is isolating you, or if you find somebody new into your life who is trying to help you so much, that will be the person sent by the universe into your life to protect you and guide you into the situation. We have the strength coming out. In the upcoming time, you might require a lot of strength, inner strength or courage. There is definitely something happening in the upcoming time, but you are protected. That's the message. Your courage is needed in the upcoming time. Power is needed. Perseverance is needed. Passion is needed. Strength and focus and compassion is needed. You're so loved by the universe. Let me tell you that the very strong message here is that a problem is entering into your life in the upcoming time, but here is your spirit team talking through me, 1122, as I said that, talking through me to you that even if there is a problem coming in, before the problem even arises, we are here to protect you. You guys are so loved by the universe and the angels. Let me tell you that. It's like the police arriving before the crime is even committed, and they are just going to save you. This is what your spirit team is trying to tell you. 1144, I know, heavy synchronicity. They are around you all the time. It's like something is about to happen. You are about to fall from the building, but they are already there to catch you. If you feel like you're alone, you're freaking not. They love you so much. The judgment, the strength, you are going to go through something intense, excessive, which is extreme. You're going to feel extremely overly emotional. They are like, don't worry, I'm here to protect you. Don't worry, we are here to catch you. We are here to protect you. We are here to support you. Even if somebody cheated on you, this can be a family member. For some of you, I feel like your father or your mother did something behind your back, which you are about to find out. I'm sending you so much courage if that's the case. But for the rest of you, I feel like a person cheated on you, but you're not going to feel anything for that person. You're not going to be hurt, because that strength will be given to you by your spirit team. So if you find out that your person was cheating on you, or your ex was cheating on you, and you broke up with that person long back, but then you find out something about that person, something like similar situation is about to happen. But if you do not feel even a pinch of sadness, just know that this is your spirit team. Just know that these are your angels giving you and feeling your emotions through you, which is not going to make you feel hurt. They love you so much. I feel like laughing because it's not going to affect you. Imagine a situation. Let's imagine that somebody is about to come and maybe kill you. Okay, somebody is about to come and push you from the building, but your angels knew that, your spirit team knew that. So before that person even arrived, who is going to push you away from the building, your spirit team and angels are already standing in the basement of the building to catch you. Like, that's how much they love you. That's exactly what is about to happen. Somebody is about to do you dirty, but your spirit team and angels are already standing at your rescue. So if something is about to happen, do not be scared. This is their love. This can also be an ancestor. This is their love trying to tell you that I'm here. Doesn't have to worry about it. Even if something is about to happen, even if you're not going to feel the pain, they love you so much that they wanted me to tell you about this. Be grateful. Be grateful. Let me know if you guys are pile number 2 in the comment section. I want to know who you are. Literally, they love you so much. And they love you because you have done something good in your life. So you are a good person. You have a good heart. You have saturated a lot of good karma in this lifetime, and that's why your spirit team and angels love you so much, because you have created a lot of good karma. So this can also be somebody who passed away recently in your life. They love you so much, and this is their love. They're showing me through me. They're showing you through me. So I think that's pretty much what I have for you, pile number 2. If you want to book a person reading with me, you can book that from the link in the description box below. You can DM me on Instagram for person readings as well. You can follow me on Instagram. Sending you so much love and light. Bye-bye, take care. Hi, pile number 3. So if you chose this side of the number, I don't remember, maybe it was triple three, whatever it was. Let's get into it and let's see what all you need to know today. Let's get into it. Pile number 1 and pile number 2 are two different piles, but both of them are very exciting. So if you just want to watch them for fun, you can go there. You can go and watch. Are you my hard-working people? My hard-working collective? 10 of Cups. You're working so hard for your happily ever after. Or you crave your happily ever after. Or you just want to be in your happily ever after. Let me break it to you. You are about to experience you're about to experience your dream relationship or your dream fantasy that you had about your relationships. You're about to experience your fantasy you used to have when it comes to your relationships, when it comes to your love life. You are 16 as I said that. You guys are about to experience the love of a lifetime. More than that, it's your dream, emotional, fantasized relationship. Reality is what I'm hearing. You are about to experience it all. You're about to, I cannot say it enough. I want to scream. I am feeling an intense energy in my this region for some reason. You're about to experience your fantasized romantic love story, love reality. Your dream and fantasies are about to become your reality when it comes to your romantic love life, when it comes to your relationships, when it comes to your romantic relationships, fantasies. It's all about to come true. Because you have worked hard enough for it. If you are becoming overly emotional by listening to this message, it's for you. If you're crying, if you cried, or if you felt like crying, if you felt something in your heart chakra or in your upper chakras, then this is for you. 1717. Number 7 is very significant, by the way. You don't know it. You don't see this coming. You do not even have a clarity. You do not even know 1% that this is happening. And let me tell you something. Once we do know, this is coming in fast. Knight of Swords. This is coming in fast. A conversation is about to come in. They're just giving you little hints. Maybe this is about to happen even like right after you watching this video. Or this is gonna be for a very tiny collective. Maybe not a lot of people chose pile number 3, but or a lot of people chose pile number 3 who are trying to manifest this reality, but you never believe that you can, and that's why this reading is going to help you to believe that people can. Because pile number 3, if you are recently trying to manifest your dream relationship, 1818, so many synchronicities. You are trying to manifest, but there are few people who are about to experience this relationship because they have already done the work. They have been in your shoes and now they are about to manifest and experience this. So if they can, you can too, right? You have no clue about it, but very soon you are manifesting this relationship into your life. That's all I have for you. Pile number 3. You are very soon manifesting your dream relationship, your dream life. You already have your finances set. If not already, you will in the upcoming time. But then more importantly, it's about your relationship. You are going to have it all in the upcoming time. That's what I feel. That's pretty much what I have for you, pile number 3. I don't even want to say, but it's coming fast. You can't see it coming, but you are about to manifest your happily ever after, your everything that you used to manifest, that you dreamt for. It's coming in. Everything is coming in. Pile number 3, go watch pile number 2 as well, or pile number 2 should watch pile number 3 as well. I don't know. So let's get... No, I don't know. I don't feel like getting some more cards. I think that's pretty much what I have for you, pile number 3. Short and simple. That's straight away the message coming from your spirit team that you're about to experience your dream life. Even if you have faced a breakup, even if you are going through a worse situation in your love life, it does not matter. If you want to book a personal reading with me, if you want to get a surety whether this is actually coming for you or you still have a lot of work to do, if you want to know that, you can book a personal reading with me. You can just book like a 1 question because I feel like some of you really are doubting this and I never say this. So if you are doubting this, you can book a person reading 2002. The link is in the description box. You can DM me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Sending you so much love, so much light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care.